So what we have here is a Custom Crawlerz 1/6 scale prototype frame for custom modelers to make their New Bright or other 1/6 scale models into a hobby quality RC vehicle. Frame plates are 1/8 inch thick aluminum. They are about just over 22 inches long. Right now we've got 4-inch frame spacers inside of the frame plates and a custom machined center transmission mount frame spacer. So the prototype also has front and rear shock mount plates. I suppose if you could want to mount, there could be options to mount your body posts in multiple different spots as well, depending on how you want to do your build. All 4 of these plates are the same, so they will go into any one of the locations on the frame rails. So when you get them as a kit down the road, you won't have to worry about it being in the correct spot, because each of these 4 will go to any of the 4 locations. Now we've got some standoffs added in here. These ones are 6/32 threaded, 3/4 of an inch. So if you wanted to mount up running boards, something like that, down off of your side frames, you can use those for that. We also have that is installed on here right now. There are some standoffs. I believe these ones are 1/2 inch, 3/8 of an inch standoffs right here. These are 3mm thread, and these ones up here for mounting your shock to. This prototype model, there's going to be 2 different lengths sent with the frame rails here, so that you can decide which ones will work best for your application. Now, we also have pre-installed on the side frame rails, there are some standoffs on the inside of the frame here. You can use them for whatever you happen to mount up inside of here. If you happen to run a transmission, your motor down inside of the frame rails here and go back to your drive shafts, then you've got a little something more to mount them to. Depending on your build, you might decide to use them, you might not. So, but they're just there as an option, something available for you to be able to utilize. Now the frames here just bolt up by these spacers here. So if we wanted to take off, we'll do the end ones first, just the regular 4-inch standoffs. And then the 2 that are in your center transmission mount plate. And here is one of the frame rails. I'm going to send it just like this in the tube that it's coming in. These other parts should be in a bag inside of the tube, so when you get them, you just have to bolt them right up onto your bolt them together and begin your build. As you've probably noticed, there are some holes up at the front of the frame here. Currently we haven't designed the front bumper mount, anything like that, to go for these frame rails yet. The same thing in the back. We have not designed a bumper mount system yet for these frame rails. But those and other products for this 1/6 scale frame will be coming down the road through Custom Crawlerz. So be sure to watch for it. If you have any questions on this 1/6 scale frame through Custom Crawlerz or any of our other Custom Crawlerz products, please send us an email at jeff@customcrawlerz.com, and we'll be happy to assist you in any way we can.